Genesis 10:13. And Mizraim begat Ledem, and Anam, and Lebanon, and Nephilim. So we see as these descendants of Ham, still, I believe. Are born. And we see this line, and all these people after the Tower of Babel have their own culture, language, all that, because of the diversity of tongues. So this is right here. While this chapter may not mean much to us today, this was the origination of different languages spiraled out of this. Okay. Hosea 11:12. No. If it go there. One. Ephraim compasses me. Now Ephraim is a large portion of Israel, so much that it usually referenced all of Israel, or maybe just Ephraim at times. Lies compasses me about with lies. So they're lying about the way they're truly living. They're trying to fool God, is what they're doing. In the house of Israel, so this is the rest of them, with deceit. So Ephraim most likely was the worst because of them being so big. They would have had their, I believe, the false temple that they would have all went to was located in Ephraim, which is why it's mentioned so much. The alternative to the temple of God, as they saw it, was there. And so Israel lived in this same deceit, the rest of Israel. But Ephraim calls this deceit, this lying, this false religion that they were now following after. But Judah yet rules with God. So Judah was staying close with God. Judah at this point in time was still striving to serve God through the temple and going to the temple. And is faithful with the saints. Now this would change. Judah would too later fall. But Israel, more of a constant state of rebellion. Because they made it was harder for them to go to the temple when it was not their thing, not in their nation. So they decided, okay, we'll make our own, which wasn't what God allowed. Could they have worshipped God elsewhere? Yes. They could have served the God of heaven anywhere. But that's not what they did. They turned to other gods because of their disobedience. And we can make the same thing because it's inconvenient. We serve God in this other way, and it's truly not serving God. Well, we don't want to let this part of our life go, so we're going to accept it. No, if God says let it go, let it go. It ain't meant to be convenient to serve God. Oftentimes it will be an inconvenience, but it's what we should be doing.